2008, the world was swept by a wave of financial crisis. The world's greatest nations and corporations began to falter. However, with strong economic fundamentals and a prudent regulatory system, the Indian economy cushioned itself. While the world came to a standstill, the Indian growth engine merely slowed down, but remained fundamentally strong. We at ICICI Bank, true to our DNA, saw this challenge as an opportunity. We used this time to prepare ourselves for the next growth horizon. We developed and implemented the 4 C's strategy. We focused on optimizing cost, increasing CASA, improving credit quality, and conserving capital. We aimed at expanding our branch network and reorganized ourselves towards customer centricity. The results in financial year 2010. ICICI Bank's profit after tax increases from 3,758 crore rupees to 4,025 crore rupees. Consolidated profit after tax increases 31% from 3,577 crore rupees to 4,670 crore rupees. CASA grows by over 21,000 crore rupees. CASA ratio increases from 28.7% to 41.7%. CASA ratio is now higher than the banking system average. Our branch network spreads to every corner of the country, increases to over 2,000 branches, the largest among private sector banks. Cost to asset ratio of 1.6%, the best in the Indian banking system. Fee to income ratio of 36.6%, among the highest in the Indian banking system. Net NPA ratio improves from 1.96% to 1.87%. Net restructured assets reduce. More capital is ready to be deployed. Capital adequacy of 19.4%, among the highest in the world. As a result, the board has recommended a higher dividend rate of 120% for shareholders. We continue our focus on inclusive growth, facilitating better healthcare and education, serving rural India, supporting rural households, promoting greener and cleaner technology. ICICI Bank, a brand that the world admires. The only Indian brand among the top 50 brands in the world. An organization where leaders are created. The first in Asia Pacific and 5th globally in the ranking of top companies for leaders. Looking ahead, as the world economic crisis subsides, India is at the threshold of a great transformation. And along with India, ICICI Bank stands stronger than ever before. We look optimistically towards the future to leverage our legacy in project finance, to lead the way in infrastructure investment, to partner the growth of SMEs, the global business leaders of tomorrow, to continue to meet the growing aspirations of the Indian consumer, to strengthen our reach to the customer, to grow with India and become a top global bank. And above all, we dream to live in the heart of every stakeholder by making each customer experience special, by fulfilling individual dreams, leaving them secure in the belief that in everything we do, what's most important to us is Khayal Aapka.